So I'm Brandt Keller. We are here at KubeCon Europe 2026, and we just gave a presentation on Zarf packaging for cloud-native applications. Zarf is a secure software delivery project in the OpenSSF. It's an OpenSSF sandbox project, and really we optimize for air-gapped software delivery. The main goal of the workshop today was really to kind of familiarize the rest of the cloud-native ecosystem with how they can package applications to make them portable, deterministic, and honestly secure by default. This is my first time using Instruqt for any conference presentations, and it worked beautifully. Why I think hands-on workshops work best is to honestly be able to provide users with a chance to look through the project, look through the structure of how it operates, and to be able to ask us really meaningful questions. And I think in a lot of ways that really provided the audience with the context to understand not only what is happening, but how it's happening, and it provided a lot of great feedback and questions throughout the session.